Okay, so now we're going to do a strapping for Achilles tendonitis, just to try and give the Achilles a little bit of a support when you're walking around. So we need two anchors, and basically the Achilles tendon here, which attaches, which blends up into the soleus and the gastroc muscle. So this can be done in different ways. You can put the anchor a little bit lower here, or you can put it higher up here. I tend to put it higher because it's not that comfortable being in the middle of the muscle belly. The other anchor, it's very difficult to put an anchor at the bottom part of the Achilles because the Achilles attaches here and you can't really anchor to anything. So what we tend to do is put the anchor underneath the foot. So the first anchor I'm going to do is here, and all I'm going to do is place it around the middle part of the foot. Remembering always that we mustn't put any tension on that anchor, laid onto the skin. I've used zinc oxide for that one. When we do the anchor that's at the top, I tend to use elastic adhesive bandage, reason being that you're going around a muscle and therefore it needs to expand as it gets bigger as you walk around. So I would just again lay my anchor around the top with no tension at all, like so. Now what we're going to do, we're now going to put on the strips to support the Achilles. So we're going to let the foot relax. If you go too far into plantar flexion and point the foot down, you won't get, as soon as they walk, they'll find it too uncomfortable. So I tend to let the foot just relax when I do it. I'm going to place the elastic adhesive bandage, which has got some stretch to it. And all I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to lay it with a little bit of tension, and I mean just a small amount of tension. I'm going to get the size right, and then that's effectively what I'm going to do. I'm going to lay it in here, okay? I'm then going to get another one. Now if that comes off, don't worry, like so. Again, with a little bit of tension, I'm going to undo that. I'm then going to put a little bit of tension onto it, like so, okay? And then before it comes off, I'm going to do that. I'm going to come around the back and finish the anchor with no tension, like we said before. And now, when that person walks, now what you can do, you can wrap around elastic adhesive bandage without any real tension on it all the way down, just to keep this down. And when the person stands up, what I tend to do is I tend to put one around here to stop it from bowing. So, but you can do it all the way up if you want to. But again, be careful that you don't put this on too tight. Okay, like so. And now if the patient stands up, what will happen is you'll get the tension going through that. And what it does is as you push, it then encourages it to push up, to plantar flex, so taking some of the pressure off your Achilles. So to finish off, what I would now do is I would now put an anchor at the base, again with no tension on it. Okay, like so. And there we go. And then when they put a sock on or anything, that will keep this together. And as I say, the elastic adhesive bandage will help to support the Achilles.